And let's deploy. Now let's also see the concept of debug, right? There is a thing called debug. And that is also very useful stuff. So let me show you first. Let's deploy. So it's deployed. So if you see here on this part, if I do a right click, it says launch integration and then debug integration. Yeah. Right. So debug integration. What it does is for that you have to put a toggle assembly point right. Every component has this property of toggle stuff. Let me put a toggle here and put a toggle here. So what it does is these are a breakpoint. Now, when I do a debug, what will happen is integration will run and it will stop at this point. Checkpoint. Checkpoint right. And it then gives me an option of resuming it. What will happen if I click on resume? It will go to the next checkpoint. Okay. Right, and then that way I can see. So, if it is this one, there is no launch parameter. I will say I'll click on debug. Now the look and feel of this will change. Let's see. Let's give it some time. It's launching 100% done. It will. From a normal person, it will become Hulk. Okay. It's happening. Now it's getting angry and now it will change. Okay, so this is another method of, rather than putting a log everywhere and seeing the log file. Okay. You can see how the flow is going. What is the output of that step and all that? And did you click on console or it opened by itself? Now, when you click on debug. Now, if you see here this kind of launch is configured to open this, so I will say switch. Now it will open up in a different format, right? So see, everything got changed. Yeah. Now you see this green thing, meaning the processing is here now, right now, because we have put a toggle point there. Yeah. Now you see here variables on this side. You have breakpoints and you have expressions. Assembly debug. Here you will get to know what is the output of this write. After the write step and all that. So now, if you see here, this is saying resume. Yeah, on the top. Yes, resume. That's one last. There is another thing which is step over. So if I click on resume, it will start executing and it will go to the next toggle point and it will stop only at that. If there is no toggle point, it will just run and complete. So if you see below here, see this, integration is waiting. It's saying active and preparing right. So the integration has now paused at this step. Now I will say, Step over. Now say, when I click on step over, it will move on. Now it has gone to the CSV to XML. But then what's next? Right, it's the next step. Yeah, I didn't give, but I did step over rather than clicking on resume. So if I click on resume, it will directly go to Splitter. But since I did a step over, now it is going each step by step. Okay. If you click on resume, it will go to the next breakpoint. Right. Yes, if you step over, it goes to the next, Next. Yes. Okay. So, and then this is fine. Data is described. Where it is? Where is that? That's fine. Okay. Now let me click on again the next one. So what happened after this? This will convert it. It will convert it into XML. And now you see the message on the right-hand side. This is the output of CSV to XML. Yeah, okay. Now I click on next. It goes to Splitter. Now I will click on again next. What will happen? It goes to the log. And now you see the output. It is only one fragment. Yeah. Again, I'll click on next. It'll go to the second one. Right, so the put integration message execute in the end, because it is for putting the event on that part. So that's why. This is still the first one, right? The LOC one. Yes. Oh yeah, is it the year? This is the first one. Let me see that. Next. So it goes to put integration. Yeah, I was right. Okay. Now again. If I click on next, it will come back to again the Splitter. Right, then next, then now it is the CC2, right. Then it'll again go to the put integration message. And then after that again, it'll come here. Right. And then I will click on next. Put integration message. And after this it'll complete. Now it will say, you're done. Yeah. It'll check whether there is anything. Nothing. Overdone. Integration. So if you see here, debug, integration completed. Okay. Yeah. And it can. You can import the log file, and so. So this debug is very helpful. And it'll also show you the error. If say there is any error, right? Okay. Let's do that part. Where is it? This perspective. Open perspective. Show view. Here on the right side corner. On the top. This one. And beside that work, read here. Okay. Cool, yeah. Cause I very rarely use debug. I used to do it in the beginning, but then after that I never used it. Okay, now let me show you how the debug will show you error. Okay, so say, Very common thing is, if I don't put a message here, yeah, it will give me an error, right? Let me deploy it. Okay, okay, so it is deployed. This one. I'll come again here and then debug integration. And that's a debug.